Well, I'll show you just briefly how I hid the rust on the wheel arches on my 95 F-150. I guess the only thing I should preface it by saying is I had just a little bit of rust. It wasn't very high up the bedside or the fender. And I'll show you. This truck had rust basically just on the edge of the lips of the fender and the front fenders. This side was the worst. And so I just took a cut-off wheel on a Dremel and cut out a hole, cut out the worst part of it, and when it was just full of just dirt and rust. And I just got all that. I vacuumed it out and then blew it out. And I sprayed some rust converter up in it. And then when that was dry, I did the most redneck thing possible. I just packed it full of grease. And I tried to get my finger behind it and as much as I could all around. I just basically had it full of grease. And anywhere where I had breached the paint on the edges, you know, got broke into the factory paint, I just slathered it with grease. And then I put the trim on there. And that's, I know it's not the correct way. However, it didn't really change anything for the next owner. If they want to do it the right way, what I did, you know, they'll still have to do it the right way. So I don't think it was, you know, bad for the truck. Makes it look a little better. This particular trim, I think they say it's 2 inches. They call it like 2-inch wide. It wasn't the cheapest. I'll put a link to it in Amazon. It may not be the best for your situation, but if you've got an otherwise nice looking truck and you got just a little bit of that rust on the edges of the wheel wells and you don't like it and you'd like to fix it, that's one way to do it. It's worked for mine so far, and it probably will for as long as I have it. So anyway, thanks very much. I appreciate it. If you don't care, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a fella out, and it's free. Thanks.